They don't always tell you the full story about being a nurse practitioner. Yes, it's rewarding, but there are some ugly truths you need to know before stepping into this career. Truth number 1. Burnout is real. Long hours, heavy patient loads, and administrative demands can leave many NPs emotionally and physically drained. Truth number 2. Difficult patients. While most encounters are positive, you'll face patients who are non-compliant, rude, or simply challenging to treat. This can take a toll on your patience and compassion. Truth number 3. Workplace politics. From competing with physicians to navigating hospital hierarchies, NPs often deal with unspoken rules and power struggles in healthcare settings. Truth number 4. Documentation overload. Many NPs spend as much time, sometimes more, charting and dealing with EMRs than actually seeing patients. The paperwork can feel never-ending. Truth number 5. Limited public understanding. Many people don't fully know what NPs do, often confusing us with RNs or thinking we're just assistants to doctors. Advocacy and education are part of the job. So yes, the NP career is fulfilling, but these ugly truths are part of the reality. If you're prepared for them, you'll thrive in this profession. Want more real talk about being a nurse practitioner, plus tips and study resources for your NP exams? Visit LatrinaWaldenExamSolutions.com. I've got everything you need to succeed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next video in this series.